How should we trade under the pressure of Ethereum Shanghai upgrade? If you're interested in knowing more about this, please keep watching. Bybit is one of the best exchanges I've ever used. It provides great market depth, a smooth user experience, and an impeccable interface. So go ahead and click the link below. You can enjoy a maximum $30,030 bonus for trading. As for BitGet, after completing Know Your Customer, KYC, and a $100 deposit, you'll receive a $100 trial fund. BitGet and I have partnered to host a special trading competition with a maximum prize pool of $15,000. Alright, let's return to the market of Ethereum. A very important event for Ethereum is coming. That's the Shanghai upgrade. The Shanghai upgrade falls on April 13th for those of us in the GMT+8 time zone. Some people may say, it's on April 12th. Yes, that's right. It's on April 12th in the US. But in the time zone of GMT+8, it's already April 13th. If you're in Taipei, Beijing, Singapore, Hong Kong, Malaysia, and other places, this event is on April 13th. So, what choice will be made during the Ethereum event? I've analyzed the Shanghai upgrade before. Well, to sum up, my conclusion is, it will be a bullish trend in the long run. But in the short run, a negative price action will be triggered. Because coming next, Ethereum will encounter some downside after enjoying a bullish bias in the market. Besides, after the Shanghai upgrade, the staked ETH withdrawals are unlocked. As a result, it invokes tens of billions of dollars worth of selling pressure. I mentioned this a few months ago. If you want to know more details and explanations, please check out the previous video. So, why don't we reassess what happened during the previous upgrade? Do you still remember the last Ethereum 2.0? Do you know when it happened? On September 15th, around 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. I was keeping track of the market during that day. Let's revise it. Let me mark the date out. September 15th. It's right here. As you can see, this is the price action during Ethereum 2.0. Let's put a mark for Ethereum 2.0. ETH 2.0. Ethereum 2.0 had been a long hyped topic for a very long time. As you can see, before the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, the price action experienced a pull up, fast and strong. In a short period, the price doubled. Yes, that's right. It doubled by around 102%. It was a complete double. Afterward, there was a small pullback before the upgrade, and then it rebounded. The rebound was rather subtle. The price rebounded to 0.618. Look at this. It was very subtle. After the price fell, it rebounded to 0.618, and then experienced another decline. Well, before Ethereum 2.0 was launched, if you had sold some of the Ethereum spot positions at this point, or you had built some short positions, you could have expected profits from the price drop after the bullish trend due to the Ethereum 2.0 ended. Or perhaps you could sell some Ethereum positions at this level and then buy them back, which would increase the amount of Ethereum positions in your hands and thus generate higher profits. I mentioned in the group chat that this was how I traded. So, we're expecting the Shanghai upgrade on April 13th. How am I going to trade then? Actually, I'm going to sell some of the Ethereum positions. Just some of them. Some of them are in the cold wallet. Actually, I plan to sell the Ethereum positions 3 years later, as I expect the price to reach the peak of the next bull market. I will sell my positions by then. As for now, my trading strategy is focused on accumulating more spot positions in ETH. So, I'm going to sell the positions in batches. When the price goes between this range, I will wait for the negative price action to happen, or when the selling pressure of Ethereum staking withdrawals is resolved, and then buy them back. Based on my expectation, after the Shanghai upgrade, the price will experience a downtrend for some time. So how deep will the fall be? We can refer to the previous case. Even though it may not be accurate, it's about a 30% fall. If I count it from here, it will be a 20% to 30% fall. If I correspond to the current market with the 20% to 30% fall, how will the price action be? It will be around $1,500 to $1,300. The price may go down within the range of $1,500 to $1,300. So, how would I act about this? Personally, I think the price won't break below the level, which is the previous low, around 1,369 US dollars. If the price breaks below 1,369 US dollars, it signifies the termination of Ethereum's bullish trend. Hence, this price can never be broken. I even believe this trend line shouldn't be broken either. Look at this. This trend line is surely effective, because the price touched it several times before. The price touched the line at all these points. I think the upcoming price action is likely to touch the trend line and bounce back. Of course, the market is always beyond our prediction. We need to observe and act accordingly. However, I think 1,369 US dollars is the lowest point, and the price mustn't break below it. Besides, there's a strong support level of around 1,500 US dollars. I don't predict Ethereum price will fall to this level. I consider it because it's a strong support here. And that's all. I'm not making any predictions. Let's look at the current market. You can notice that in the 4-hour candlestick chart, the price broke through the previous peak. Is this breakout a false one? Yes, it's possible. If it's proven a false breakout, I believe the price decline will create a good entry point. It's a pretty good one for short positions of derivatives or other positions. This is a suitable entry point for traders. However, we need to see if the trading volume shows. If the price falls back shortly after the breakout, without much trading volume, it's surely not a good sign for the bull market. Alright, let's take a look at the impact of the Ethereum upgrade on Bitcoin. Do you still remember when it happened? It's around 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. on September 15th. The situation is still vivid to me, because I was keeping track of the market at that time. It's at this point. Okay, you can notice the decline of Bitcoin isn't significant. The price just fell after an oscillation. Besides, holding short positions within this price range can cause discomfort. So, we should put our attention on the Ethereum market. The trading strategy one mentioned just now can't be directly applicable to the Bitcoin market. It's only useful to the Ethereum market, as Ethereum is the main focus of the upcoming event. Finally, let's take a look at the exchange rate. I will review what happened on September 15th. September 15th. It was quite some time ago. Hold on. It's here. As shown here, the exchange rate dropped sharply. Starting from September 15th, the exchange rate dropped sharply, especially on September 15th. On that day itself, right on the 15th, is it feasible to take advantage of the decline in the exchange rate? Yes, it's feasible, especially when you trade with derivatives. For example, if you want to seize the drop in exchange rates, you can open positions in the same amount, let's say 1 million US dollars, and go long on Bitcoin, while going short on Ethereum. By hedging both positions, you can make a profit from the exchange rate. If the exchange rate remains, your positions won't have any losses or gains. But if the exchange rate drops, you can make a profit from the position I mentioned just now. This is how you do when you want to make a profit from the exchange rate. Besides, there was a 7% to 8% drop in the exchange rate on that day. It's quite a lucrative trading. Indeed, I may consider trading this on the upcoming event. The upcoming event falls on April 13th, according to our time zone, and April 12th in the US. On that day, we're expecting a historical moment since Ethereum 2.0. That's Ethereum Shanghai upgrade. Besides, its market will be under heavy selling pressure by then. Lastly, let's look at the CME gap, which is around 28,000 US dollars. It's not far from the current price of Bitcoin. Perhaps the gap can be filled after the price bounces back up slightly on Monday. Alright, thank you. You're welcome to like and share my videos, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the little bell button to show me your greatest support. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through?